Hi, Mrs. Al from the Mattituck-Laurel Library. One of our favorite songs at the library is Old MacDonald because not only does it introduce so many different animals and so many different sounds, you get to move your mouth and use your tongue and think about some silly things, but it's a song you can use for most anything, and we'll show you at the end of our little song. So let's get started first with a book. I love the Rod Campbell Farm Animal book for our littlest ones. So here we go. Let's meet the animals on our farm. There's a dog, and the dog says, woof. Here's an animal that says, moo. Do you know who that is? It's the cow. This animal says, baa. Do you know what it is? You're right. It's the sheep. Oink. Do you know? You do. It's the pig. Cluck. Who says cluck? The hen. And of course the chicks say cheep, cheep. Thank you, Rod Campbell, for farm animals. Now, get your voices ready. Are you here? Okay. The first animal we're going to find on our farm says moo. Moo. Do we know who this is? That's our cow. Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thank you, Mr. Cow. Who else was on that farm? Bah. Do you know who that is? Bah. It's Mr. Sheep. Hello, Mr. Sheep. Look at that furry wool on Mr. Sheep. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, that sheep just loves to sing. Oh, neigh. Oh, do you know what animal that is? Neigh. I think you do. Are you ready? Here he comes. Neigh. Oh, look at our beautiful horse. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. That's our horse. Oink. Oink, oink, oink. Who says that? Do you know? You're right. It's the pig. Oh my goodness, Mr. Pig. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. There's our pig. Oh, let's see. Quack. Quack, 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 quack. Who could that be? Do you know? Oh, this is one of my favorite animals on the farm. Okay, here we are. Do you know who this is? It's the duck. Look at that beautiful duck. Look at his webbed feet. You ready? You ready to sing with us, duck? Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, that duck just loves that. Meow. Do you know what kind of animal that is now on the farm? Every farm has one of these in their barn. Meow. Do you see our little kitty cat? Look at the beautiful tail on this cat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. There's our kitty cat. Let's see who else was on that farm. Cluck, 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 cluck. Who makes a clucking sound? Do you see our chicken? There's our chicken. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Wow, that's the chicken. Let's see. Oh, I know. There's a farm around here that has one of these also. Not every farm does. It has to be a very special farm to have. Ee-aw. It's a donkey. Do you see the donkey? Look at the donkey's tail. Ee-aw. That's what the donkey says. Are you ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a donkey, E-I-E-I-O. With an E-aw here and he-haw there. Here a he, there a haw, everywhere a he-haw. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Oh, that donkey always takes center stage. There's another animal on that farm. We have a lot of these out here too. Are you ready? See if you know who this guy is. Do you know who this is? This is a goat, see? And he's got the horns. You see our goat, his little beard here. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a goat, E-I-E-I-O. With a na-na here and na-na there. Here and na, there and na, everywhere and na-na. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Well, that farm had a lot of animals. We hope you've enjoyed seeing all those animals today and making all those wonderful noises. And as I said, sometimes songs and little children just make you happy. So you can change the words. For instance, do you have a child that's hard to eat breakfast and sometimes they just don't like their cereal? You can change the words a bit and say, Old MacDonald had a spoon, E-I-E-I-O. And on that spoon he had some cereal, E-I-E-I-O. So with a spoon over here and a spoon over there and a spoon over here and a spoon over there, eat your cereal every day, E-I-E-I-O. So I know that's silly, but that's what a lot of these songs are. They get stuck in your head and just change the words to them. They're wonderful that way. We hope you've enjoyed our farm animals today and you enjoyed them over your breakfast cereal, perhaps. And remember, keep reading.